Now students, I am going to discuss second method of subtraction of two vectors. So you can write again this heading, subtraction of vectors. I am going to discuss second method. First method I discussed in previous video. So I am going to discuss second method. Second method. Listen, suppose this is vector A, this is vector B. Let angle between these two vectors theta. Now student, you have to find again this vector A minus vector B. Student, this method is easier method than previous one. To find A minus B, I will make this A and B once more. This is operational diagram of A minus B. I am going to find this A minus B. Now student, the angle between them is theta is given. If you are going to find A minus B, then connect this and make an arrow along the direction of A. Silent करो. Make a direction along the direction of A. So this vector is R and it will be equal to A minus B. Listen once more. If there is vector A, this is vector B, copied as it is. The angle between them is theta. Now to find A minus B, connect the tail of vector B with the head of A and make an arrow towards the head of A. So this is what A minus B. बच्चों इसमें ये याद रखो, जिसमें से माइनस करना है एरो उधर करना है. जैसे A माइनस B करना है इसमें, तो आप एरो को A की तरफ कर दो. अगर B माइनस A फाइंड करना है तो एरो को B की तरफ कर दीजिए. See, now I am going to find B minus A. See how to find B minus A. Student, see how to find B minus A. I will make this A, B as it is, copied from the question part. So to find B minus A, join this and make an arrow towards B. मैंने आपको बताया बच्चों कि जिसमें से माइनस करना हो एरो उधर करना है. नाउ B में से माइनस करना है. सपोज दिस इज वेक्टर R डैश, इसको R माना था, इसको R डैश मान लिया. सपोज दिस इज R डैश which is equal to B minus A. So it is, student, this is the method by which we can subtract one vector from other. बस इतना याद रखो, जिसमें से माइनस करना है उधर एरो करना है. Student, now we can conclude from these two diagrams that direction of A minus B is not similar to direction of B minus A. It is downward, it is upward, slightly, both are downward and upward. Means their direction is not similar. So one can say this vector R, which is equal to A minus B, is not equal to this vector R dash, which is equal to B minus A. So these two vectors are not equal. So we can write this vector R is not equal to R dash. So A minus B vector is not equal to vector B minus A. Means one can write subtraction of two vectors is not commutative. Student, I am writing like this. You can understand this line. Subtraction of two vectors is not commutative. Write down. Subtraction of two vectors is not commutative. Student, addition of two vectors is commutative, but subtraction of two vectors is not commutative. A minus B is not equal to B minus A, but their length will be equal. If you may use meter scale and protector to make all these things, so you will find that length of this vector will be equal to length of this vector. At that moment, student, you can write mod of this vector R is equal to mod of R dash. mod of vector r equal to mod of r dash. That is, I am going to write at this place, that is mod of a minus b is equal to mod of b minus a. So their magnitudes are same, length is same, but directions are different. Student, now one problem may arise in your mind, that how can I say this is vector a minus b, and how can I say this is vector b minus a? See, I can prove it. Suppose any one of you not accepting that this one is a minus b, this one is a minus b. As I told, जिसमें से माइनस करना है एरो उधर करो. So this is a minus b I expressed in this diagram. But suppose any one of you, or so many of you, are not accepting that this is a minus b. So suppose this is vector x. So student, I am going to prove that this x is equal to a minus b. See how. Student, see, at the head of this vector b, the tail of x is added, and this is what resultant. Listen once more. At the head of this vector b, the tail of x is added, and this direction will represent the addition of these two vectors. So one can say this vector b plus vector x equal to vector a. बच्चों, अगर ये भूल गया हो तो एडिशन ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स को ध्यान से देख लीजिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि एक वेक्टर के हेड पर अगर दूसरे का टेल है तो ये रिजल्टेंट होता है. सो दिस a इज द सम ऑफ वेक्टर b प्लस वेक्टर x. सो वी कैन राइट दिस x इक्वल टू वेक्टर a माइनस वेक्टर b. दिस आई हैव टेकन एज r. सो दिस r इज व्हाट? वेक्टर a माइनस वेक्टर b. स्टूडेंट, this is the second method of subtraction two vectors. You can write it. Please write it fast. Student, when I am saying to write, please pause my video and write it. Please pause this video and write it. Now student, I am going to discuss once more this important thing. Suppose we have this vector a, this vector b, making angle theta with each other. So to find a minus b, we should join this and make an arrow towards a. So this is r, which is equal to a minus b. Student, as soon as you write this a minus b, you should write immediately a formula just below it, that is, if r equal to a minus b, so magnitude of r is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. I discussed in previous video. This is the magnitude of difference of these two vectors. Now if this r is making some angle alpha with a, student, at this point the head of these two vectors are coinciding, so this angle may be taken as angle between r and a. So tan alpha is again b sin theta over a minus b cos theta. Student, I derived this formula in previous video. By this formula you can find direction, d for direction, m for magnitude. So in this way you can find magnitude and direction of subtraction of two vectors. Student, watch this video minimum 2 times on full screen, make notes and try to attempt problem based on subtraction and addition of two vectors. Now in next live class I will discuss problem based on subtraction of vectors and problem based on addition of vectors, and also I have to discuss dot product and cross product of two vectors. These are very important topics which I will discuss in next class, whether it is live class or video class. Thank you very much. Write it.